Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So I play something in this song. There are kings, right? There are kingdoms, only Yeshua. So it's actually a very simple, long riff, right? So I feel it's going to be very interesting for you to learn it, right? So let me just play it very slow. We're using the key of C. Let me play it very slow now, right? So there is all. So 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. 2, faster, go. So let's try using it in this song now. You see how it goes, right? That's just how it works. So there's a again. Sorry. Right, so la do mi sol la. First line, la do mi sol la. Then do la ti so mi so la ti. Then re mi fa so ti. So you're still holding the so, then ti rings together, right? So there are kings, there are kings, and there are only. You see it again, only. Last one, only. Slowly. Yeah, so just try it out. Take it very slow. Use a metronome, right? Take it very slow. Start it very, very slow. It's actually going to be of help.